And now the White House. From here, it is such a majestic sight.
Seeing it in person feels so different from the pictures. Every corner whispers history.
The White House is the official residence and the principal workplace of the US President.
Since 1800, every president has lived there, and it has been the setting for countless historical events and decisions.
While briefly occupied and damaged by British forces during the War of 1812, the White House was later rebuilt and has since stood as a resilient symbol of the American presidency.
The building is a symbol of American democracy and hosts countless historical events, state dinners, and foreign dignitaries. It is also the only head of state's residence open to the public. The executive residence has 132 rooms, 35 bathrooms, and 6 levels. In addition to the main residence, the White House complex features the West Wing and the East Wing, where a large number of presidential staff work.
Approximately 400 to 500 people work directly in the White House office and the other parts of the executive office of the president. And just nearby, the statue of Marquis de Lafayette, the French hero of the American Revolution.